Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Noise smartwatch with your phone. First, make sure your Noise smartwatch has at least 50% battery life to avoid interruptions during the pairing process. Next, download the official Noise Fit application from your phone's App Store, whether it's the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Finally, activate Bluetooth on your smartphone through its settings menu. Now, let's initiate the pairing. Open the Noise Fit application you just downloaded. Within the app, you'll find an option like Add Device or Pair New Device. Tap on it. The app will then scan for nearby Noise smartwatches. From the list that appears, select your exact Noise smartwatch model to begin the connection. Once you've selected your device, a pairing request will appear on both your phone and your Noise smartwatch. Confirm this request on both devices to establish the connection. After successful pairing, the Noise Fit application will prompt you to grant several permissions. It's crucial to allow access to notifications, contacts, and location services for your smartwatch to function optimally and provide all its features. If you encounter any issues, try these troubleshooting tips. First, restart both your smartphone and your Noise smartwatch. Sometimes a simple reboot resolves connectivity problems. Also, ensure your Noise Fit application is updated to its latest version from the App Store. Finally, always keep your phone and smartwatch within a close range, ideally within 3 to 5 feet, during the initial pairing to maintain a strong Bluetooth signal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.